Hello besties, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Dee and I help you find real online jobs you can do absolutely from anywhere in the world, especially if you're in places like Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, South Africa, or anywhere opportunities are usually limited. Today's video is for my night owls, nursing mothers, or someone looking for extra income. If you love working at night, or maybe that's the only time you have free because of school, family, or your day job, this one is for you. I'm going to show you 2 legit night jobs you can do from any location, how to get them, and smart tips to help you stand out and get hired fast. Before we start, kindly give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and share. Now, grab your pen, grab your phone, and let's get into it. The first night job you can do from anywhere in the world is remote chat support. These are customer service jobs where you help customers through live chat, messaging, or ticket support instead of phone calls. This makes it perfect for people who don't want to speak on the phone or whose environment may not be quiet at night. A lot of companies hire for 24/7 customer support, so night shifts are always available. What you will be doing is responding to customer messages, helping people solve simple issues, checking orders, bookings, or accounts, escalating problems you can't handle, documenting conversations, very simple and very beginner friendly. Who is hiring for this job? I'm going to give you some global companies always hiring night shift chat support. The first one is Mod Squad. We have Support Ninja. We have Alorica. They hire remote positions. Concentrix, Tidio, Site Staff Chat, Live World. Most of these companies hire worldwide, including Africa. Requirement is a laptop or phone, depending on the company, stable internet connection, good typing speed, ability to communicate clearly, ability to stay calm and helpful, no degree needed. You don't even need any experience for many roles. Now, where do you apply for these jobs? Although I've mentioned the companies, you want to go to modsquad.com, go to their careers page, supportninja.com, go to their careers page, remote.co, weworkremotely.com. Indeed, search night chat support remote. Pay range. Companies pay between $10 to $18 per hour depending on the role and the experience. Because I don't want this video to be too long, I'm going to open one of these companies, which is Mod Squad, to show you lots of jobs available that you can apply to right now if you're serious. So if you're serious in getting this job, go to modsquad.com, go to their careers page and get started. So I'm going to take you there and show you a little bit. They hire from Nigeria, anywhere in Africa at all. I don't even want to mention countries, but yes, go to modsquad.com, click on join Mod Squad. This is their careers page. You can go there, okay, but I'm just going to take you through this page. Reasons you will love being a mod: you will be in control of your own journey, you work remotely, pick your own projects, set your own schedule, keep your day job, work with amazing companies, work with amazing people. So click on apply today. It takes you to their careers page. Now you will see jobs from different locations. So all you have to do is to input your keyword here. For instance, I'm looking at jobs for Nigerians, jobs in Nigeria. This one was posted yesterday, so you can kindly select. So you can go ahead and select your country here. Okay, select your country: France, Africa, Middle East, wherever you are. Select your location. Whether you're looking for part-time or full-time, select your job category and select more. Is a fixed term, mod, contractor, anyone. So you can see this one is remote customer support, chat and ticket support, gaming. This one is remote customer support, higher education, seasonal. And this one is remote seasonal recruiter, customer service phone support, and it's Nigeria. So if you open it like this, you see the full details here. You could use someone like you in our crew, join our vibrant talent network, and read through, see if you have what they're looking for, then click on apply. You can either upload your CV and then it will autofill your information here, or you apply manually. You can also use your last application if you have been here before. So let's apply manually, but please make sure you have your CV. So this is the application interface, customer service phone support Nigeria. You create an account, then you put your information. Okay, you verify your password, put your experience, application questions, voluntary disclosures, and all of that. But make sure, guys, that you have your CV. It's very important. It will help you to apply for these jobs easily. Okay, and all the other companies that I mentioned are also hiring both people from Nigeria and other parts of the world. Companies pay between $10 to $18 per hour depending on the role and the experience. I'm going to give you some tips to get hired fast. Number one is improve your typing speed. I've always talked about it on this channel. Aim for at least 45 to 55 words per minute. Practice using typingtest.com. Number two, write like a professional. Use clear English, short sentences, and polite tone. Number three, take free customer support courses. Yes, you have to spend some money. You can get free ones as well from Coursera, HubSpot Academy, Allison. And number four tip is be available during unpopular hours. Companies love candidates who choose late night shifts. And lastly, prepare sample responses. For example, hello, thank you for contacting us. My name is, you put your name. How can I assist you today? This makes you appear experienced even when you are new, okay? Then we're heading over to the section 2. The second night job you can do from anywhere is AI data annotation or AI content reviewing. In simple terms, this job helps companies train artificial intelligence systems. You will be rating, labeling, reviewing, or categorizing online content. This is one of the easiest remote night jobs because it's non-phone. It's flexible. You can work at your own pace. Many companies allow late night schedules. What you will be doing is, depending on the company, tasks may include rating social media posts at night, reviewing AI-generated responses for accuracy, labeling images or short videos, categorizing ads, checking grammar, tone, and safety of content, transcribing short audio clips. And sometimes, guys, no tech background is needed. Now let's look at companies hiring worldwide. These companies hire from Nigeria and other countries. Dataannotation.tech, you can check them out. Remote Tasks, Telus International AI, Appen, Clickworker, OneFormer, Amazon MTalk. I've talked about these platforms here before. I'm not going to show you all of them today. I will only take you to one, Remote Tasks. This is my Remote Tasks dashboard. Okay, I signed up here a year ago. Okay, even though I'm not desperately in need of a job, but yeah, I signed up here a year ago and I haven't started earning, but it is active. Okay, all you have to do is to go to remotetasks.com, sign up, complete your profile till the end. Complete your profile. This is where your active projects will appear. Please use your full name, your real name. Okay, this will be your task log. Okay, you can see whenever you complete a task and get paid, everything will be here. Your earnings will be here, the days you worked will be here, and this will be your balance. This will be your balance. This will be onboarding. I haven't really completed my onboarding, but this is the onboarding center. I'm going to sign up again with a new account to see if I'll finish this onboarding. This will be your missions. Okay, whenever a job comes here, whenever there is available mission, it will come there. then you can apply. Your active project, this will be your active project, and then you start doing it. So it's that simple. Make sure you complete your profile. I don't think I've completed mine, but I'll go back there. This is just the interface of remote tasks. Availability depends on your country as well. For requirements, you need good English reading and writing, laptop or phone depending on the platform, internet connection, ability to follow instructions, and pay range varies a lot, but typically it's from $5 to $25 per hour depending on the platform and task. Some platforms like data annotation can pay higher for specialized tasks, but it takes time to be accepted into data annotation tech. Where to apply? You want to go to dataannotation.tech. For remote tasks, go to remotetasks.com, taylosinternational.com, oneforma.com, clickworker.com. And let's look at some tips to help you get hired. Number one is take their qualification test seriously. Yes, these companies test your understanding of instructions. You have to read guidelines twice. AI tasks require accuracy. Mistakes can get your account flagged. Number three, start with small tasks. This helps you understand the scoring system. Work at night for better availability. AI tasks often drop late at night when US companies push new batches. Keep your IP consistent. Use the same device and same location to avoid account issues. Don't work at your friend's place, don't work at your mom's place, work at a permanent location and use the same device. Okay? How to get started tonight? Yes, I'm talking about action steps. If you want to start tonight, here is a simple action plan you can follow. Number one is choose one job. Alright? Either you start with chat support or AI data annotation. Don't start both at the same time. Prepare a simple CV. I know I said I'll show you guys how to do that, but not today. Prepare a simple CV. Your CV can include typing speed, use of tools like Gmail, Slack, Google Docs, customer support skills, English communication skills, ability to work night shifts. Keep it one page, okay? Then apply to 3 to 5 companies for chat support. Try Mod Squad first. Alorica, Support Ninja. For AI jobs, try data annotation. For AI jobs, try remote tasks. Taylor's International. Then take practice tests. Practice grammar using Grammarly or Hemingway editor. Practice typing using typing.com. Set up your night schedule. Decide what hours you will work, how many hours per night, when you will take breaks. Consistency increases your earnings. Believe me. So besties, those are 2 perfect night jobs you can start doing from anywhere in the world. Whether you're in Nigeria, Kenya, Ghana, Asia, or even the UK, these jobs don't require big degrees. They don't require you to know someone, and they don't require expensive equipment. Just your commitment and your night time. If you want more videos like this, comment night jobs below and I'll make a part 2. And to my besties that signed up for ATM cashier job, don't worry, I'll put you guys through on a live stream very soon. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any update. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next